Hi and welcome back, y'all, with Lonnie today. Today I will be showing you how I make my ranch dressing. This is Alkaline. So I have extra olive oil, onion powder, salt, dill weed, and hemp seed. So yes, this is made with hemp seed. I'm not going to be using a lot of oil. I'll be using more water. I have it here. And we will be eating with romaine lettuce. So I will kind of be measuring it, but I will put the measurement either on the video or in the description box. And I also got this recipe from TY Conscious Kitchen. So be sure to follow him. He is like the guru of alkaline food, and he's just really good with everything. So without further ado, this is my version of the ranch, alkaline vegan ranch. So let's get started. Okay, I will be starting off with the hemp seed. And this is like a half a cup that I'm using. And also, I'm actually using this. I think this is the first time I'm using the NutriBullet after when I have gotten it. And water. Same equal parts. So it will not be too thin. Then I will take the oil. I'm not a big fan of oil, so I'll just eyeball it, but I will put the, like I said, the measurements somewhere. Okay, then salt to taste. I know there's like another salt that is preferably, but it's very hard to find. And once I find it, it's like a very small, like ounce. This is like 8 ounce, so it's smaller than this, and it costs like 2 or 3 times more. But I'm assuming that it's way better than this. You don't want it too salty. Then we are going to put onion powder. If you want to put real onions, you can, but I'm not going to do that because I don't want this blender to have a certain taste. Then I'm add the dill weed to it. Ooh, you can also use a dry dill weed. I normally use a dry dill weed, but for some reason I decided to buy this. Tastes so good. Yes. This will give it the little, I don't know if it's like parsley in the regular ranch. And all you gotta do is just blend it up. And if you want it to be a little bit thinner, just add more water. A little thicker, add oil. But I think this is quite all right. You ready? I want to make sure you see it. It doesn't take long for this to finish. So here is the ranch. Now this is something that take your little pinky, you know, don't double dip. To me, this is perfect. You can add a little bit of salt, but I don't want to. Ranch. You see how it just pretty good. I love it. You can add more of whatever you like, but this will taste pretty good. All right, thank you for watching. Stay tuned.